Gotta take the caramel chocolate milk out of the gearbox though. It's looking a little gross, but I think it should be good. I don't know if I'm gonna vacuum it out or just open this whole thing up and suck it all out like that, but definitely gotta get that out of there because it smells like ass. Oh boy. This thing it's coming together. It's almost good to go. It's working, but needs a little bit of tweaking yet. And if it doesn't work, I'm gonna be tweaking.